Hello everybody, here's a good one for you. I got my first brass bladed fan, 30 bucks at the AFCA auction. It's an Emerson 73648. 16 inch, as I said, brass blades in really good shape. However, it does need some work. But when has that ever scared any of us, right? So, it runs pretty well, actually. So I'm going to show it here. The switch is a little wonky, so it, is delicate. That's high. It's got a little bit of a shake, might be an imbalance in the blades, but it's very powerful. It is trying to oscillate. Whoa. Oops. Didn't have it on there as good as I thought I did. There's medium. There we go. The oscillator works on it, but it needs a little help, I think. Yeah, see, it doesn't want to come back. Yep, so. I'm going to guess that that is high. All it wants to do is spin this way. Turn it off now. It's an old fan. It's got some quirks, but fixed up, I think it'll be great. Just keep spinning that way. The oscillator's broken on it. Actually, I'm wrong. I can tell by how easy it was to spin that way. However, all the pieces are there, so I really don't think it should be that hard to fix. Hopefully. We'll see. If not, maybe just make it stationary. I don't usually do oscillation anyway. But I'm going to really make this look nice. Give it a repaint, polish the blades up, all that business. And I think it'll look quite good. Anyway, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed.